If you don't know how else to prepare your roasted beef and potatoes, gather here, let me show you this very unique way of making roasted beef and potatoes. Hello everybody and welcome back again to Bumi Omolola and Family's channel. In today's video, we are going to be showing you how to make this very delicious and very easy recipe. So please stay back, stay tuned, sit down and enjoy the process. All ingredients used in this recipe will be stated below in the description box. So kindly like this video, don't forget to comment, don't forget to leave your thoughts below, don't forget to share, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If you're a new viewer, you're welcome. Thank you so much. You're welcome to this family, and to our returning viewers, God bless you. We love every one of you. We love your support and God loves you more. Please enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you so much. All right, so after making sure that your beef, that is the meat you're using, is very clean, so you go ahead to slice like so, and then you marinate. So we are using some seasoning powders, salt, and some powdered paprika pepper. All right, so please kindly note that you can also add more seasonings or more spices to marinate this meat. So it shouldn't be just the way we did it. If there are some things you want to remove, you can as well remove it. If there are some spices or some seasonings that you want to add, please make sure you add them. Okay, so now we are just going to make sure we blend that in or massage it in, and then we add some oil, vegetable oil or any other oils of your choice. Okay, so this is it, cooking oil. All right, so this is it, just trying to make sure everything enters the meat. Okay, all right, so kindly make sure that you are evenly distributing the spices, the seasonings, the cooking oils around the meat. Okay, so that everything will enter the meat. Okay, all right, so that some place don't taste sweet and some place is not tasting the way you want it to be. All right, so please try to do that. So I told you this is another different way of making your oven roasted beef or grilled beef with some potatoes. So I'm going to show you now where the potatoes comes in. Okay, so you can see this opened part, this sliced part is where you placed your potatoes, just like so. So please just watch as it is done. All right, so I think now is the time to add any other vegetables of your choice that you want to add to this meat. Okay, so after now, if you are done with this, you go ahead to take the rope, this rope. So you can find this in the supermarket. You can ask around, maybe when you don't know what to call it. It's called a cooking rope. So you can use it to make sure that when you put this in the oven, it doesn't go open, so it stays in one place. Okay, it tacks it together. All right, so just like this. So make sure you do this. Okay, please make sure you tie this up, tie the meat like this. So just watch how it is done. Please make sure you do this. All right, so that, yes, this rope is not something that is harmful. So when it is ready, you would see how my husband is going to remove the rope from it. This rope just allows the meat and the veggies or whatever you put inside the meat to stay in one piece. Okay, so when that is done, the butter and the spinach that you saw in the previous video, that is the first part of this video, is what you have to add on top the meat. Okay, so you just have to take your brush, you can add it with your spoon, and then use your cooking brush to make sure that you evenly spread it on the meat. Okay, and on the potatoes too, or on whatever vegetable you are using. All right, so just like so, make sure you do this. So this allows the meat to shine, and it also makes the meat to be a bit colorful. Okay, so just do this like so, and don't forget, you can also recreate it. You can also recreate something else, maybe add whatever you feel like you can add to make the meat look more colorful, more shiny. Please make sure you do. Okay. All right, so when that is done, place this in a cookie pan. So we are using a bread pan for this. If you have any pan that can go well with the size of the meat, so please, you can kindly use that. Okay, so now we just add more of the butter and spinach onto the meat, and that is done. So make sure you have already preheated your oven, okay, before putting this in your oven. Okay, so depending on the oven you have, so for us, we cook this in the oven for at least 45 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius. So making sure that your oven is not too hot. Okay, you have to slowly cook this. Okay. Today's Bible's motivation will be taken from the book of Lamentations 3 verse 22 to 23. It is of the Lord's mercies that we are not consumed, because his compassions fails not. 23 says, they are new every morning, great is thy faithfulness. So you see, God's mercy has kept us. It is his mercy that holds us up. His mercy is fresh every day. Don't always forget to give thanks to the Lord, okay? Don't forget, it is the will of God to do so. So guys, after 45 minutes of cooking the meat in the oven, so this is the outcome of it, and this was looking so good, guys. Very, very yummy. So don't forget that rope you use in tying the meat, you have to make sure you remove it at this point, okay? So now that the meat is ready, it is time to give it a try, and I will tell you guys that this was so delicious. It was so yummy, so juicy. Please let us know what you think about this recipe in the comment section below, and please, if you haven't liked this video, please kindly do so, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you can be notified whenever we post a new video. Okay, if you watch this video up to this very moment, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Don't forget, we love you, but God loves you more. And until next time, bye bye.